Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make the most delicious Nigerian jollof rice. So this one is quite different. It's good. It's gonna be so yummy. You're gonna enjoy it. Share with your friends. Kindly subscribe to my video, like and share. Comment. Tell me how it went, how you made it. Let's chat me up. Let me see. Tell me your experience. So today we need a chicken, carrots, habanero pepper, tomatoes, bell pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, celery, spring onions, and veg oil. And for the spices, you need paprika, curry, garlic powder, ginger, basil, parsley, and thyme. So all these ingredients, we'll mix them together and our dish is gonna be so yummy, so yummy. And let's go ahead and chop up our vegetables, chop up all your onions and chop them up into cube sizes. We're gonna blend this up, and then I left some onions as well for the later part of the jollof rice. Blend all of them. Blend it to a very big consistent paste. Blend until it's smooth. And when blending, I add a little bit of water to aid the blending, to give it a quicker blending. Blend it well. And so guys, the Nigerian jollof is so popular. So and this period is a festive period, so I decided to just, in case you want to prepare it, you can have fun with your friends and family, or it's lockdown, you just enjoy yourself with your family, and give me feedback when you're done. So I'm going to be adding a little water to my veggies, just about half a cup of water. Pour it in and blend it up. Blend it for about, let's say, 2 minutes. Just blend it, and this is how the paste is gonna look like. Bright and orangey. It's gonna be bright and orangey. This is how our jollof rice is gonna come out really orangey. That carrot gave it this beautiful color. So the next step, we're gonna be boiling our chicken. Go ahead and put in your onions, your spices, pour it in, mix it well. I put about 2 cups of water, 3 cups of water, let's say. Just eyeball it, gauge the amount of rice you have and the stock you're gonna be using to cook the rice. And this is what mine came out. This is the water I'm gonna be using. The meat stock, go ahead, drain it. Take off the water, and we're going to be frying the chicken pretty soon. That's the stock we're going to be using for our jollof rice later. Just set that aside, and while the chicken is draining, we are washing our rice right away. Wash it thoroughly. Over here the rice is it's not dusty at all. It's already clean. It's parboiled. But if you're in Nigeria and you feel like you need to wash your rice 3 times, 4 times, you need to add salt to your rice to wash it, go ahead and do that. I washed it with cold water. It's about 6 cups of rice I used. That's the cup I used, about 6 cups. If your quantity of rice is going to be half of that, the vegetables will be half of that. Go ahead now. I will be frying my chicken. Go ahead, put in your oil, let it heat up a bit, and we'll be frying our chicken. Please guys, be careful while frying your chicken. The oil may splash. Just be careful, please. We're gonna fry this chicken till it's golden brown, because that's the color we want to see on our jollof rice. I fried it for about, let's say, 10 minutes. Not too, the heat wasn't too high, because I don't want oil splattering all over my floor. about 10 minutes on, each side, 5 minutes each. Fry it till it's golden brown. And we are going to use this oil in making our jollof rice. So go ahead, heat the pan and pour in your oil right now. So I'll be using the same oil. Make sure the particles from the chicken is left behind. And we're going to fry our tomato paste right now. And yeah, the oil is hot already. Let's go ahead and pour in our tomato paste. This paste, I bought it from the store. It has mushrooms, it has celery in it. I really like it because it's not too thick. I just like it. I like the flavor in it. And I got it from the store. I think I got it for about $1, $2 most. $2. Pour it in, fry it a bit. Fry it until it's just a little bit cooked, because we don't want any tangy taste on our jollof rice or sour taste on our jollof rice. Fry it a little bit. I fried it for about 10 minutes. You can cover the pot, stir it properly, cover the pan, and fry it for about 10 minutes. If it splatters a lot, lower the heat. And this is how it's gonna look like. It's just gonna look at how it is. So beautiful, so beautiful. Our jollof rice is gonna be on point. It is so beautiful. So the next step is we're gonna go ahead and pour in our paste. Wow, look at that sauce. The carrot, the celery, the green peppers, the bell peppers, ginger, garlic, onions. Wow. Just go ahead, pour it in, stir it properly. And we're gonna be cooking this for about 20 minutes because we want it to be properly cooked. We are done. This is how it looks. You can lower the heat a bit to medium. So the next step right now is we're going to be pouring in our rice, already washed rice. Pour it in. The rice is already parboiled, so we will not be cooking it for too long. You can add, after pouring it in, you stir it, eyeball it. If you need more water, you can pour in your meat stock, your chicken stock. Like, see mine, my sauce, my paste was a bit runny, so you have to be very careful. Don't let the water get out of your hand. Pour in your chicken stock. Right away, add salt if you want. Taste it. Add salt. If the salt is not tasty enough, add a little cubes, Maggi cubes. But for sure, the pepper is enough. Every other thing is on point. But if you need to add salt, you can add salt. And then we're gonna cover this to cook. Medium heat because it tends to burn. So this is how it's gonna look. The water is not dried, it's not really dried. Lower the heat a bit. If you think yours is already burning, lower it a bit. Don't cover the pot at this stage because the heat from the cover will still be going into the rice and it would never dry. It will take time to dry. So now you see our jollof rice is ready. And now we are gonna go ahead, put in our onions, the onions we chopped up, initially, and stir it. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so yummy. Look at that rice. Look at the color. Everything is dried up. And the final stage is for us to put in our spring onions. Sprinkle spring onions, and just to give it a little more taste and flavor. Stir it well. And there you go. Jollof rice This is a jollof rice with a twist. See how beautiful that looks. So beautiful. It smells so good. Like the house is like with lots of aroma. The curry, the thyme, parsley, basil. Wow, you're gonna love this. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it went. What other recipes do you want me to make? See you guys in the next video.